Okay, I promised the installer here I would not show her in it, but my analog meter is being replaced by a smart meter against my will, but I'm not blaming her for it. So, and I did not want to go through the deal with the ACLU on this to try to fight it because of an unfortunate experience I had dealing with them many years ago. So, and it would just be a bunch of bureaucratic claptrap anyway. And we're both getting nuked as she's doing this. Anyway, last year all of these other smart meters were put in by PSE, and now I was the only holdout, and because I live in a building with more than 4 apartments in it, I'm required to have a smart meter. But one more smart meter is going to provide that much more radiation. Anyway, I appreciate how the installer here is, well, she informed me about her situation. So thank you, YouTube, for watching, and if the ACLU is watching this, I hope you take note of this sort of thing. And okay, is that it?
Yep, that's it.
Okay.